most of these experiences that people used to have when they was kids, you know what I'm saying, are finally starting to realize what they were tapping into. You know what I'm saying? The information's out there. The internet is a good source right now if you know how to use it. Learning about this shit a lot, you know what I'm saying? Shit, you know what I'm saying? It's enlightenment, you know what I'm saying? And it's way more than that. Evolution. And when I meditate, I like to do it in a pitch dark room, period, you know what I'm saying? Because when the vibration sets in, when everything start getting all sweet, you know what I'm saying, within the 10 minutes that I'm meditating, you know what I'm saying, the next thing you know, I am projecting out into the room, you know what I'm saying, and the vibrations is so sweet, overriding the physical perception. I open my eyes, and you know what I'm saying, I'm still manifesting anything that I want to pop up, you know what I'm saying? And I mean, it's basically you projecting out.